Let's explore the SQL and operator. Learn how to apply multiple conditions with precision to refine your SQL queries. The SQL and operator is a logical operator that combines multiple conditions in a where clause. It returns records only when all the specified conditions are true. This allows you to filter data with greater precision. For example, the SQL code provided selects all the data from the employees table where the salary is greater than 50,000 and the department is marketing. Here's the basic syntax for using the AND operator in SQL. After the select statement and from clause, you specify your conditions in the where clause, connecting them with the AND keyword. For a record to be included in the result, every condition that you join with the AND operator must be true. You can see the logic diagram which shows two circles intersecting each other with the intersection part labeled as AND. Let's look at a basic example of using the AND operator to filter products. Imagine we have a products database table. Our task is to find all products that are both in stock and priced under $50. As you can see in the products table, we have keyboard, monitor, mouse, and headphones. Keyboard and mouse are in stock and priced under $50. The SQL query uses the AND operator to ensure that only products meeting both criteria are returned. As a result, the query will return keyboard and mouse. You can use multiple AND conditions in a single query to narrow down your results even further. In this example, we want to find employees who are between 25 and 35 years old, working in the sales department, and have a salary greater than $50,000. The SQL query combines these three conditions using the AND operator. Only employees who meet all three of these conditions will be included in the result. Note that the circles intersecting each other with label AND clearly conveys the usage of multiple AND conditions. The SQL AND operator is widely used in various scenarios. One common use case is date range filtering, where you can find records within a specific time period. Another use case is multi-column filtering, where you can search with criteria across multiple columns. It is also used in complex form validation where you can verify records that meet multiple requirements and for security and access control where you can enforce multiple security conditions. Each use case enhances the precision and relevance of your SQL queries. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using the SQL AND operator. Use parentheses to clarify complex conditions. Place the most restrictive conditions first for better performance. Use meaningful column names in your conditions. Test each condition separately before combining them with the AND operator. And consider indexing columns used in AND conditions to speed up query performance. As you can see in the slide, better usage uses the state column first since it is the most restrictive condition, whereas poor usage uses first name column first. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.